Washing the upholstery in a VWT4 is a process that can be done in a simple and effective way. To begin, first vacuum the interior of the car to remove loose dirt and dust. Next, prepare a special upholstery cleaning solution that is suitable for use in cars. After applying the solution to the upholstery, wait a few minutes to allow it to dissolve dirt. Then, use an upholstery brush to thoroughly clean the entire surface. Brushing should be done vigorously and in the direction of the upholstery fibers. Once the upholstery is cleaned, use a vacuum cleaner to remove any remaining cleaning solution and dirt from the surface. At this point, it is also a good idea to check for any stains on the upholstery that need to be removed. Finally, leave the upholstery to dry thoroughly. To speed up the drying process, you can open the car windows or use a fan. Once the upholstery is dry, the car interior will look fresh and clean.